All right, welcome back, everybody. We are on level 2 of lesson 17, mouse input. So this is the video, or this is the level that follows a video that you may have watched with your class. So if you have not watched it, stop me right now, go to the help and tips and watch the video, then come on back, okay? So once you've done that, reverse the gears. These gears already spin one direction when you press the space bar, but you can change the if statement into an if else to make them spin the other direction when the space bar is not pressed. So do this. Make the gear spin the opposite way when the spacebar is not being pressed. Click the arrow on the if statement to expand it into an if-else block. Add code to the else section of the if-else block that uses the counter pattern to make each of the gears rotate in the opposite direction. So, okay, here's our if statement. Here is the add button. So now we have an if-else statement. All right. And so I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm just going to copy what's already there. Come down here, press that. And then I'm going to reverse the counter pattern to go in the opposite direction. All right. So let's see if that worked. We're going to show. All right. So space bar. There we go. So you can see it moving in one direction. And then when I press the space bar, it moves in the opposite direction. So that's all we had to do for level 2. Da-da-da-da, there we go. All right. So the if key down space, blue gear, green gear, red gear. All right, where they rotate and the counter pattern is there. Or else if the key space is not pressed, then it just does the opposite. So there we go. We're going to press finish and I'll see you on the next level.